Hi Franco, kumusta?
Hi, Sir Lino. I'm good. Thanks kayo po.
Okay naman. How's your family?
Um, all good naman po, sir. Thank God my family is keeping well in this time of pandemic.
That's good to hear, ha? Very important talaga to be more careful at this time. Well, as you know, we're having this meeting for your future in the company, your career. Good opportunity to for me to get to know you more and malaman ko how I can help you advance your career. Lalo na nga, 3 years ka na rin sa company. I think you're ripe for a leadership position.
Ako, sir, thanks for that. It's been a great experience po so far po talaga. Sa umpisa, medyo nangangapa po, but I've smoothly adapted naman po. I also learned the ins and outs and helped me carry out my duties.
Yes, I noticed that. Nasabi mo ba na you have the right kind of motivation at work?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
So what motivates you to work?
Sa totoo lang po, sir, what drives me to work hard is my family. Now na my parents ay older, inako ko na po ang responsibility to take care of them in this time. Kumbaga, sila tapos na, ako naman. So if I work hard and be great at my job, makakapag-provide po ko ng mga needs po nila, sir. And of course, it also goes without saying na that I love my work. 'Di ba sabi nga, if you love what you do, you will never have to work in your life. Yan po talagang mantra ko, Sir Lino.
That's amazing, ha? Bata ka pa and you have a good and well-grounded mindset. I like that. Sa work mo naman, how do you want to be recognized?
Sir, ako po yung type na who wants to know if the things that I do I appreciated. So small things of act of recognition like a pat in the back or kahit simple good job lang po yan, sir. Okay na po yun sa akin, sir. At wala pong halong biro rito, sir.
I see, I see. How about your greatest areas of strength? Are you aware of them?
Nako sir, I'm good at solving problems, sir. Hindi lang po problems or issues dahil sa conflict but in terms of executing a task more seamlessly and in a lean manner po, sir. I'm also analytical and logical, so it helps when I listen to our customers to immediately see kung ano po yung need nila and how those can be met. Sir, I think I'm ready for a bigger role. I like being able to sort things and provide a solution.
Tama. I agree, ha? Nakikita ko yan. The last task I gave you, you really managed it well. And bukod sa mga nabanggit mo as your strengths, I want you to know that your efforts do not go unnoticed. We really think that you have what it takes to be a good leader. There are three things na nakikita ko na strengths mo. First, strategic ka. You think of the future and that sets you apart. I like the way you foresee new trends at lagi ka nag-updated kung anong ginagawa ng mga competitors natin. Second, making good decision is another strength of yours. People come to you for advice and see that. And I see that. Keep it up. Lastly, you are people-oriented. You work with people and they like you. You also have an approachable personality. Hindi ka nag-hesitate to help your colleagues when needed. I remember quite clearly the day that you helped save the day for the team. Simpleng solution, but very effective. And ikaw ang nakaisip.
Thank you so much, sir, para sa appreciation. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso.
Now, for areas of improvement or development, I also have three. One, delegation is key. You need to delegate more to empower. Nakita ko na madalas kinakaya mo lahat. Keep in mind, pag naging leader ka, you are a team. You need to empower them more. Second, you need to work on your assertiveness. You are brilliant, Franco. Pero pagkaharap na natin ng mga big bosses, you have a tendency to keep quiet, lalo na sa meetings. I remember you had a brilliant idea nung invited ka sa Mancom, pero hindi mo nasabi kasi na-intimidate ka. Lastly, you need to increase skills on operational excellence. kailangan you need to look for opportunities to improve the process, especially the customer experience. You need to gain knowledge on Six Sigma, TQM, and the likes. Do you agree with me, Franco?
Yes, sir, I am aware of all of this and I'm so open po on ways on how to improve them. I really am.
Good, good. And I assure you that the company provides learning resources for your improvement. If you grab these opportunities for development, mas prepare mo pa ang sarili mo for future management roles. But as I said, I think it's high time for you to be a lead. You have the right skill sets and attitude. But the challenge is we are in the new normal, and I see how the business will change as it adapts to the new setting.
I believe too, sir.
So sa nakikita ko, directions would be clearer pag natapos na tong pandemic. Pero currently, pinag-uusapan na sa upper management how we could improve customer service after natin ma-digitalize ang mga customer channels natin.
I'm with you, sir.
Okay, so, and that future becomes more inevitable as the days go by. Madami tayo new learning requirements. The pandemic may have crippled us in so many ways, pero madami tayong opportunities na pwede nating magawa, lalo na sa customer service. And bilang leader mo, I will provide you opportunities to strengthen and develop what needs to be developed. Andito ako to regularly mentor and coach you along the way. It is going to be a learning process. And as you know, this could be the worst of times, pero this could also be the best of times. Kahit nasa pandemic tayo, plans are on the way for our expansion. Ang sales natin, unti-unti nag-pick up. It also means dadami rin yung mga needs natin for after-sales support. Exciting times indeed, di ba? Kahit pandemic, we are on the roll. Ikaw, Franco, what do you see about the future?
Sir, I agree. Kahit may pandemic, planning and visioning should not stop. Based sa reading ko, sir, ay may mga companies po na nagpe-prepare na ng kanilang sarili for the opening of the economy. And it is indeed an exciting time nga po.
Oo nga. I also want you to be part of the industry's customer circle group. Doon madami ka makukuhang ideas. Magandang mag-benchmark with them. And alam natin na digitalization is the in thing now, but it will be the way of life in the future. Madami kang matututunan doon sa customer circle group. And customer service will be tremendously affected. Ngayon pa nga lang we see customer service being provided online. In the near future, it may be more than that. Either we would have a small team doing that or the whole team dedicated to that. Who knows, no? My point is, there might be new careers we could build from that. Pero don't limit yourself to customer service. Nakita ko na may potential ka as a customer manager and as a trainer. Kasi nakita ko yung pag-handle mo sa cross-functional projects seamlessly. Proud na kami sa'yo dun sa nagmantong kami, and our president keeps on appreciating your work.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Sa training naman, nakita ko ang galing mong magturo sa mga new hires natin. Madali nilang matutunan yung mga na-explain mo maayos yung mga terms in simple language. At gumagaling sila, pag-coach mo sila. So, sa akin, yun yung mga nakikita kong potentials mo.
Sir, I'm up to the challenges for whatever the company is in store for me. And wow, dali pong choices.
That's what we call happy problem.
Oo nga po, sir, ang daming pwedeng puntahan, pero I like to stay here sa customer service po. Aside na comfort zone ko ito, I think there is so much to learn.
Okay. So let me just rock the boat, okay? Hindi dahil comfort zone, yun na yung choice mo. Dapat hindi ganon, You have to vision where you want to be, what you want to be in the future, what your career goals are. So think about it.
Thank you, sir, for sharing. Sa akin po, I see myself as a customer service person in the next 10 years and an expert in this industry.
That's great to hear then, okay? So sige. I will look into how we can prepare you for that role. Pero first, balikan natin yung areas of improvement mo na assertiveness, delegation, and operational excellence. Gawa natin ng plans yan. Second, I will include you sa ibang mga meetings ko para makita mo kung paano yung mga projects na I'm involved para ma-strengthen natin lalo na yung mga strategic skills mo. Okay? And lastly, meron tayo mga new hires. Ikaw na mag-handle sa kanila. Create development plans para they can fast-track the productivity nila. Okay? Online to so think of ways na how you can make them on board virtually.
Sure, sir. This is exciting. Magagamit ko pa talaga ang skills ko. And I think we would even open my eyes to have a clear view of my developmental areas.
Yes. But of course, you need the basic supervisory skills. I-enroll kita sa next batch ng training sponsored by HR. Okay?
Okay po, sir. Nakaka-excite po.
Exciting, no? Ay, isa pa pala, bago ko makalimutan, papadala ko sa iyo yung development sheet with set of KPIs and I want you to go over them. Dagdagan mo pa ng mga elements na you think you would be able to develop in your career. Tapos, we will both sign off once we agree on the contents. Do you have any questions, Franco?
None so far, sir. But really, thank you, sir, for this discussion. I really appreciate this discussion.
My pleasure, Franco. Salamat din. I look forward to another session with you maybe next year and see how far you've become. So for now, fill out mo na yung PDP plan mo. Personal Development Plan. Send it to me and discuss natin.
Looking forward to that too, sir.
Kailan mo pwede send?
By Monday po, sir.
Sige, by Monday then. Okay, so goodbye for now. Have a great day, Franco.
Bye, sir.